What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video on the channel. Remember to hit the like button and remember to subscribe down below to the channel for additional content. So we have an update on the power steering leak. Turns out that the rack is kind of shot, so gonna have to look into a new power steering rack and outer tie rods. And we officially have the thermostat installed into the car, and the drive shaft is completely bolted on, and we're ready to go. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a little bit of an experimentation. We're gonna take out the factory airbox base, and I want you to see what it looks like now and what I am about to show. So it's completely experimental, may not result in any sort of change with anything, but here's the change. So cut out the whole bottom section, allowing it to still bolt on and stay fastened where it needs to be, just allowing some extra air to enter the intake air box and then up and into the blower. So with that being said, we're going to run a little bit of an experiment later. I'm going to have some GoPro clips. Okay guys, so the stock intake air box is back together right now. I've got the MAV connected, got everything hooked up as need be. So the reason I'm going to try this experiment is the saline or saline 05 to 09 3 valves have a very similar intake air box that is just rotated about 90 degrees and then goes through to the middle, where that's where the intake opening is. So they have a very similar cutout on the base as I had showed you below. So I just want to try this out. May not show any actual gains, may just get a little bit extra air, may run lean. We're gonna find out. Gonna do some clips, and we're just gonna have some fun with it. Why? Because it may have a resemblance to what we're gonna do in the future and who's gonna be tuning it. All right, we're gonna go to the GoPro clips and what other footage I have. Picked up some awesome new gear this week. Definitely gonna help with videos and sound quality. That wraps up today's video, guys. This is the next install I'm looking to do on the car to make sure it's gonna be ready for what we're throwing at it next. So stay tuned for these installs and the review.
Say bye-bye!